this orbital periostea attached to septum, orbital septum, and this plane, this is anterior part. Infection on this part is very rare. And this gentleman Chandler has classified the stages of orbital cellulitis, that is preseptal stage, inflammatory edema only, orbital cellulitis, postseptal without abscess, stage 3 subperiosteal abscess, stage 4 is orbital abscess inside the periosteum, and stage 5 is complication due to posterior extension, that is cavernous sinus thrombosis and brain abscess. So subperiosteal and orbital abscess, cavernous sinus thrombosis, septicemia, meningitis, and optic nerve damage and blindness are the complications associated with stage 5. So what are non-surgical treatment? We have to give broad spectrum antibiotics. We have to treat aggressively. MRI किया गया था तो उसमें एब्सेस था अगली पार्ट में, फिर थ्रोम्बोसिस नहीं पता था, रिपोर्ट में सर थ्रोम्बोसिस तो नहीं लिखा था। जब तक हम लोग के पास आए तब तक ब्लाइंड हो चुका था सर, मैंने फिर कुछ करने का था नहीं।
एक तो जमाना था आपको obsolete possibly now. There's a Townsend's view for detecting any inflammation in the sinuses.
Sir.
Was it done in this patient?
No sir.
We straight away jumped to CT scan and MRI.
सर एक्सरे वाटर्स व्यू किया गया सर, एक्सरे पीएनएस वाटर्स व्यू
उसमें कुछ नहीं है,
उसमें था ना सर,
कब किया गया था?
यहाँ पर आने के बाद सर
खड़गपुर में नहीं किया?
नहीं सर, वो हम लोग परसों से एक्चुअली सर वहाँ से डायग्नोसिस बना के बजा गया कैवर्नस साइनस थ्रोम्बोसिस।
ठीक, वहाँ पे we have not even detected maxillary sinusitis which could have led to orbital sinusitis, orbital inflammation, and you are blaming patient is that cause?
ये सब जो हिस्ट्री है वो बता रहे हैं सर, ब्लेम नहीं कर रहे सर।
I want the bedded ticket of this patient copy.
हाँ सर।
I want a copy of the bedded ticket.
उसके पास है
Xerox करके मेरे को भेजिए। उनके पास है, I don't want the information. I want the bedded ticket. That's right. With the referral letter of Kharagpur. Some people have to be crucified.
आज थोड़ा दे देना।
हाँ सर, हाँ सब लिखा हुआ है सर। Then if fungal infection suspected, we have to give antifungal as well. Nasal decongestants should be given, and if it is stage 5, we have to give mannitol, diamox, diuretics, etc. Then surgical treatment should be done. Surgical range if failed response to appropriate antibiotics within 48 to 72 hours. But our patient was responding well to